Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Windows 10 settings and go to Update and Security. Select Windows Security from the left side menu. Click Virus and Threat Protection and open Virus and Threat Protection settings. Find Real-Time Protection and toggle it off to temporarily disable Windows Defender. Windows will show a warning when protection is off for safety. This method is easy and reversible by toggling the same switch back on. Restarting, or a scheduled scan, may re-enable the protection automatically. Press Windows key plus R and type gpedit. MSC to open Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Defender Antivirus in the tree. Locate Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus and double-click to edit the setting. Choose Enabled and click Apply, then OK to disable Defender system-wide. Restart the computer for the policy to take full effect across all user accounts. Use this method for managed or offline machines when permanent disabling is required. Reversing the change requires setting the policy back to Not Configured. Open Registry Editor by pressing Windows key plus R and typing regedit. Navigate to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows Defender in the left pane. If the Disable Anti-Spyware DWORD does not exist, create a new 32-bit DWORD value named Disable Anti-Spyware. Set the value data to 1 to disable Windows Defender at the system level. Close Registry, Editor, and restart the PC for the change to activate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.